Hey YouTube! King Hot Wheels with a case unboxing. Last case, 2015 Hot Wheels. Case Q, worldwide carded, or international carded, whatever you want to say. And you can buy them from this guy, A&J Toys. Be a link in the description. You can either buy them off eBay or you can go to his website. Either one, you'll get your case, and it's fast. This information. Alright, let's cut it open and see what we have. Last case. 2015. Can't wait for 2016. Look pretty good. Let's get to this. Alright. First we have the 96 Nissan 180 SX Type X. Man, say that 10 times fast. Look at this beauty. Woo! Nice maroon color. Tamples on the back there. The lights. Nothing in the front. Cool casting. Here we have the Ford Mustang GT Concept in white. We saw this one last time in black. This one doesn't look bad at all. Nice. White. And the next three. We have the Ice Shredder in white. Blue guys in there. Ready for bobsledding. Winter up. We have the Tesla Model S in red. Oh, looks like some red paint on the back of the card inside the blister. Top one. So this is a new model. Doesn't say because it's international, worldwide carded. And the D-Muscle in red this time. Last time we saw it was in yellow, so in recolor. D-Muscle. Here we get the Fast Fortress, yellow and blue. Mean looking thing on the fender. Cool. Alright, we have Rip Rod. 3 of them. Blue and orange. Believe it or not, the last case, this was from the last case. There was one that had a double card. There was 2 cards, 1 card stuck on 1 blister. So those ones. Here we got the Nissan 370Z in white with a couple of stripes. Cool. Honda Racer. 2 guys in that car. White base. Alright, moving on. Oh, the Humvee in green. Brown wheels. This could probably use some rail riders. Beef it up. Hoover Storm. Hoover. All that chrome. Black and red. Here we go. 69 Chevelle in purple. Purple tint. Cool. The Invader in green. Go along with the Humvee. Military. That is one hefty duty tank. Here you got your 68 Mercury Cougar in orange this time. There was a blue one before that. Number 36 on the side. Wheels go with it. Pretty cool. I dig it. Here we got the whatever this one is. Stratos. Pretty good casting. Here we got the So Plowed. Oh, Chevy Silverado. Now I can do a custom. The one from the last case. Cool. Oh, here we go. The 70 Ford Escort RS 1600. Got this one to match the blue one that I got. All those blue ones. You won't see these in the store because they'll probably be gone. So get yourself a case. Nitro tailgater in red. Oh, the custom 15 Ford Mustang. Wow, the paint's just rubbing up on this cards inside. Huh. I don't know what's up with that. Factory? Putting them in wet? In the blisters? Scorpedo. White and green. Ah, here we got the Toyota off-road truck. The regular, not the super. But if you put some Rail Riders on this, it'll look nice. Yes, sir, buddy. You got a Muscle Tone. And a Camaro convertible concept in orange. I believe this came in white, too. Not bad. You got your two-timer. Two of those, two-timers in gray. Bifocal, too. Huh. Chrome with a little blue. Alright, that's the top. I'll get to the bottom. Aeropod Jungle Rally. Power Surge. Another two of those. White. Oh, sweet. Two more of those. Hey, it's 2014 Corvette Stingray in yellow. Cool. Hey, you got your 70 Plymouth Superbird, just the regular. Look at that blister, kind of crappy. That'd be a cracker. Maybe do a wheel swap. This casting, I love this casting. Plymouth Superbirds. Oh, we got the Fiat 500, and yeah, they have the Circle Flame logo, which is not a treasure hunt because this is just a regular casting. So I don't know. I believe it's an error or whatever they want to call it. So I got two of those. One from the last case. Oh, look at this truck. Custom 62 Chevy. Look at that. I'm going to have to do another base swap with the Trix truck. Because I did it on the yellow one. So that's going to be a wheel swapping. Here you got your grease rod. Saw that last time. Oh, the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento in green. Nice. Oh, here we got the 65 Mustang 2x2 Fastback in the silver. It's in the Then and Now series workshop. Cool. Here you got your Aston minivan, 67 Aston minivan in blue. Go along with that red one earlier in the year. Here's the Brat, Subaru Brat in blue. They have a cool classics one. You got your 90 Acura NSX in white. Getting down. Drifter. Drift away, Drifter. Holy Rocket. This one's actually fantasy, but it's pretty cool. Custom Motors. Cool, cool, cool. Here you got your Project Speeder in some nice blue and orange and white colors. Cool. Another Aeropod. Aeropod. Quicksand. Blue and green, greenish beige. Base. BMW K1300R. Bike, yellow, black. Cool looking for a bike. Scion FRS in silver. Number 86 on the side. Here you got your Aston Martin Vantage GT3 racing car. Down to the last 6. I don't believe there's a treasure hunt. Not in this case. Here's your Mangler, whatever you want to call it. Manja. Mad. Call it a Mad Max car. Here we go. We got Speedbox in purple. All the girls out there collect Hot Wheels. A purple Hot Wheel. Glow-in-the-dark wheels. Part of the Night Storm. And last we have the Cadillac El Mirage in red. So no treasure hunt, no super. Treasure hunt was the Saw thingy. Vehicle, whatever. Fantasy. So that's it. King Hot Wheels. Case Q. Last one of 2015. Next one is A, 2016. And the card art's going to be a little bit different. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more. Share. Comment down below. And watch my other videos. So this is King Hot Wheels with the unboxing of 2015 Hot Wheels. The last case. Alright, look out for the next video. Peace out.